Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is elevate, elevate, elevate. Do not dim your own light. I need you to be in the solar system, outside of the stratosphere, not with faith, not only with hope, not only with gratitude, but also with your actions. Do not shortchange your blessings. Do not limit your blessings. Do not limit spirit, no matter how harsh your reality looks and how far-fetched your elevation is going, where you feel you don't understand how it's going to work. I don't need you to worry about that. I want you to have radical faith. I want your head above the stars. Do not limit your blessings, because miracles happen all the time, and yours is right in line and happening right now in this moment. I free myself from fear and trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.